630 watts it's pulling in right now. 31.93 kilowatt hours. And that's 125 hours. That's what that one's done. Alright, so this one's running. Give you a quick peek in my bedroom. I got the bedroom unit cranking. It's a little 5,000 watt unit. In the afternoon, this side of the house gets pounded with the sun. What are we showing in here? 70.7. So let's see. I think I did like 21 kilowatt hours for the day. Yep, 20.9. I believe my record so far has been 25 and a half. That's about roughly 4,600 watts of solar on the ground. I'm gonna, as soon as I can, I'm trying to try to add at least another 16 to 1,800 watts and put the Outback FlexMax back into service for the winter time. But I gotta tell you, things are working out great here. They really are. All I'm lacking right now is some high-speed internet. It's a beautiful thing. Thanks for watching.